In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of downloading images from Shopify. Welcome back to TechMan. Open your browser and go to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Navigate to the Products section in the Shopify admin panel. Browse through your list of products to find a specific item whose image you wish to download. Click on the product name to open the product details page. On the product details page, locate the image you want to download. On the media section, click the photo you have here. Then after that, you will be taken to this page. On your right, you can see the editing tools you can use, but in our case, we will download this one by clicking this download button on the top. Select your path, and there you go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.